Jack, are you looking for your ball? Go get it. Jack thinks he's gonna dig his ball out of the snow. I don't think that's gonna happen because it's all the way over there where that little hole is.
I think he found it.
Oh, I thought, is it not where the hole? Oh my gosh, he got it. Oh my gosh. And he has so much snow on him. Here, open it. So, it was piled up higher than the door this morning. And you can see down there, I don't have my boots on so I can't walk out, but that blue laundry door, it is piled up almost to the door handle. There's our neighbor's yard. So we definitely got a lot of snow last night. Here's our little tree. And here it is piled up by the door. I'll be going out and taking more video later on.